guys, today we are going to talk about two-dimensional shapes, which are also called plane shapes. A plane shape is something that has a flat surface. So if I take my hand and I can rub it over it, it is a flat surface. That is a two-dimensional shape. Some that we discussed in kindergarten that you learned were square. A square is something that has 4 sides and 4 vertices. A vertice is when this corner comes together with this corner and creates a corner. So it is actually called a vertice. That is the vocabulary word here, vertices. It's where these points come together. So in a square, there are 4 sides, 4 vertices. So I know that this shape is called a square. Not only are they 4 sides, but they're 4 equal sides. This side is the same length as this side, and this side is the same length as this side. All of the sides have to be the same length to be called a square. The next plane shape is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. A circle has no sides and no vertices. A rectangle also is kind of like a square, but you can tell the difference between the two because this side and this side are equal, and this side and this side are equal. They don't all have to be equal like in a square, but the two here, this side and this side, have to be the same length, and this side has to be the same length as this side to be called a rectangle. Okay? The next is the word flat surface. It just means it's flat. It does not take up any space. Therefore, it is a two-dimensional shape. And we went through the vocabulary word vertices. They're the points where these edges come together or these sides come together. Okay, so that would be another vocabulary word, side. This is a square, this is its side, right here, also called an edge. They have to be equal sides. Equal sides means they are all the exact same length. All right, now that we went through two-dimensional shapes, we are going to go through three-dimensional shapes. They're also called solid shapes. Let me give you an example. A cone. A cone has 1 vertice, which is at the very top, and its base is a flat surface. And what is that flat surface called? It is actually a circle. It has a circle that's a flat shape, and then it has this point it comes up to. It kind of looks like a birthday hat, or if you turn it upside down, it could be an ice cream cone. That's why it's called a cone. This is a cylinder. A cylinder has 2 flat surfaces. It's got a top that is flat and a bottom that is flat. It rolls. It kind of looks like a can of soup. It has 0 vertices, and it has 2 flat surfaces, called a cylinder. The next shape is called a sphere. It looks like a ball because it's in the shape of a ball. It's just like the earth. It's in the shape of a sphere. A cube is a little bit different. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. It also, if it has 8 vertices, then that means it has 8 sides, and that is called a cube. One thing about a cube, all of the sides are equal. They are exactly the same size. Okay? So if you know what a cube is, then a rectangular prism also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices, and those are where the points come together. It's called a rectangular prism. That is the third three-dimensional shape. It also has 8 edges and 8 vertices, like the cube. Okay, that's our math lesson today. Bye.